Hello dear fans. Why modern monkeys don't turn into humans? Doubts about the fidelity of Charles Darwin's evolutionary theory visit almost everyone. The scientific community of the world has not yet come to a single answer to the question of the origin of man. Therefore, in resolving disputes, the fact of the transformation of modern apes into humans would play a significant role. However, this does not happen, to the delight of supporters of other theories. Why? First, the evolutionary theory does not operate with the term transformation, drawing family ties between humans and modern great apes. Evolution is more complicated than simple transformation. It is a long-term process, in which multiple external factors are also involved. Secondly, for the appearance of gene mutations, their selection and fixation in highly organized organisms, huge time intervals are required. The short life of not even a single individual, but of all mankind will not allow keeping track of evolutionary changes. But man still manages to observe the course of evolution, only on a microscale. Mutations of the simplest organisms are known: microbes and viruses, which have time to acquire resistance to antibiotics, for example. Thirdly, man did not descend from those modern primates that exist today. People, along with 100 species of other monkeys, belong to the great apes. They have many similarities among themselves, and it is based on the fact that once there was a single ancestor. It was a miniature mammal, the size of a rat, which appeared about 70 million years ago and climbed trees. From it soon, 30 to 40 million years ago, monkeys and flat-nosed monkeys separated and then completely replaced it. Perhaps among them there was a common ancestor, which was more likely to resemble a chimpanzee, because it is with him that a person has the greatest coincidence of genes. When this ancestor mastered the savannas, important changes were fixed, among them, upright posture, as a result of which his hands were freed, and increase in the brain. These creatures were no longer monkeys, but they were not yet humans, therefore they were called hominids. The first found remains of them are 9 million years old. Since then the species of hominids have displacing each other. Those who survived were those who could better adapt to the conditions, who had a larger brain, who could organize hunting, and make tools. Modern people belong to the species of Homo sapiens. This species originated about 50,000 years ago and is the only one that has mastered speech. Although the genes of humans and chimpanzees coincide by more than 98%, nevertheless, this is now a parallel branch of development of animals similar to humans. An example would be the heirs of your great-great-grandfather's siblings. They would be relatives to you because they once came from the same family, but distant, long ago crossed the line of second cousins. And if this shift occurs within 4 generations, that's about 170 years, then imagine what the gap between humans and chimpanzees is, if about 30 million years have passed. Thanks for watching.